3, 2, 1.
Which river flows through the Scottish city of Glasgow? The answer is A. Clyde. In what year did Steaua Bucuresti win the European Cup, actual UEFA Champions League, against FC Barcelona? The answer is B. 1986. In the 2002 film Kung Pao Enter the Fist, why was Wimplo purposely trained wrong? The answer is A. As a joke. In JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, which character is able to accelerate time? The answer is B. Enrico Pucci. What was the name of the mysterious island in Jules Verne's The Mysterious Island? The answer is A. Lincoln Island. Pianist Frédéric Chopin was a composer of which musical era? The answer is C. Romantic. In the game Pokémon Conquest, which warlord is able to bond with Zekrom and a shiny Rayquaza? The answer is C. Nobunaga. Which of the following landlocked countries is entirely contained within another country? The answer is A. Lesotho. Which of these characters wasn't a villain in Club Penguin? The answer is C. The director. What is the weight of a gold bar in Fallout, New Vegas? The answer is C. 35 pounds. Which infamous European traitor was known as the last person to enter Parliament with honest intentions? The answer is D. Guy Fawkes. To the nearest whole number, how many radians are in a whole circle? The answer is B. 6. Who wrote the play Angels in America? The answer is A. Tony Kushner. Why is the night sky dark? The answer is C. The universe is finite in age and size. What is known as the brain of the computer? The answer is C. Central Processing Unit. The title of Adolf Hitler's autobiography Mein Kampf is what when translated to English? The answer is A. My Struggle. What year was the Italian firearms manufacturer Beretta founded? The answer is A. 1526. Which game in the Monster Hunter series introduced the insect glaive weapon? The answer is A. Monster Hunter 4. Who wrote and directed the animated movie Spirited Away 2001? The answer is C. Hayao Miyazaki. In Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman 2, who is the main antagonist? The answer is C. Raul Menendez. Which of these anime have over 7,500 episodes? The answer is B. Seizi-san. What city did the monster attack in the film Cloverfield? The answer is A. New York, New York. Which of the following is the oldest of these computers by release date? The answer is B. TRS-80. Which German sportswear company's logo is the Formstripe? The answer is C. Puma. Australia, Japan, and Southeast Asia are in which ITU region? The answer is D. Region 3. What was the name of the rock band that Nobuo Uematsu formed that played songs from various Final Fantasy games? The answer is A. The Black Mages. Benny, Brain, Fancy Fancy, Spook, and Choo Choo were known associates of what Hanna-Barbera cartoon character? The answer is A. Top Cat. Which Italian city is home of the car manufacturer Fiat? The answer is D. Turin. When did SpongeBob SquarePants first air? The answer is B. May 1, 1999. On the 6th of June 2006, what was the name of the infamous glitch that occurred in the MMO RuneScape? The answer is C. The Falador Massacre. When was the board game Twister released to the public? The answer is C. April 1966. When was the FC Shock 04 founded? The answer is C. 1904. The following Spanish provinces are located in the northern area of Spain except The answer is C. Murcia. What was the name of the cancelled sequel of Team Fortress? The answer is B. Team Fortress 2, Brotherhood of Arms. Which one of these scientists conducted the gold foil experiment which concluded that atoms are mostly made of empty space? The answer is D. Ernest Rutherford. Nephalokakija is the practice of doing what? The answer is C. Finding shapes in clouds. In The Witness, how many lasers must be activated to get into the mountain area? The answer is C. 7. Which part from the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure manga is about a horse race across America? The answer is A. Part 7, Steel Ball Run. Which former Star Trek actor directed Three Men and a Baby 1987? The answer is D. Leonard Nimoy. Which of the following is not a prosecutor in the Ace Attorney video game series? The answer is B. Jake Marshall. What is the name for a male bee that comes from an unfertilized egg? The answer is C. Drone. In the Hellboy universe, what was Abe Sapien's birth name? The answer is D. Langdon Everett Call. What do you declare in Richai Mahjong when you've drawn your winning tile? The answer is C. Sumo. What was the first game ever released that ran on the Source engine? The answer is B. Counter-Strike, Source. In Fallout New Vegas, upon starting each one of the 4 campaign DLCs, which one of them does not have a warning screen / recommended level? The answer is D. Honest Hearts. Which of these cities is not in England? The answer is A. Edinburgh. Which is the national animal of India? The answer is B. Tiger. What common name is given to the medial condition tibial stress syndrome (TSS)? The answer is B. Shin splints. In the 1964 film Zulu, what song does the British Army Company sing before the final battle? The answer is B. Men of Harlech. What is the name of Team Fortress 2 update, in which it became free to play?